When you need to keep yourself together, Velcro.
When you need to keep yourself together, Velcro.
All I want to do is be close to you. You're so soft and I'm so hard. Stick yourselves together. We stick together.
Some people say I'm overly attached, but I don't think so.
I'm gonna cover myself in Velcro and be attached to you forever.
It feels like a metaphor, this Velcro, to get everybody together.
When you need to keep yourself together, Velcro.
It takes no time getting ready in the morning, 'cause I've got Velcro shoes. Who really needs ties? I certainly don't if I have you.
I need you. Zippers on a place here. We can connect on a microfabric level.
This is getting complicated. I just wanna be connected to you.
When you need to keep yourself together, Velcro.
Sometimes you just need someone to stick with you.
And I want that someone to be me and you, sticking together through thick and